had my drink from guys, and it looks so beautiful. They did a beautiful job with like the pineapple and cherry, the flower with the umbrella. My mom is here too. Hi, Mom. She loves it here, don't you? I like drinks. Yeah, she got the same drink here. All right, here they are.
Back to back, so once we finish.
Right, guys, there is a side drink
Feel
here.
free to join. Sure, why not? All right, if I get out of here, I'll go have
And wow, it's really a great time. So pretty here. I love all the lights. Guys, so we have stuff coming now. So my mom just got these dumplings here. This game looks really nice. And then I think this is like a tuna roll here. So yeah, everything looks so beautiful.
like almost a Vietnam that is used to famous by a
And yeah, these are really good guys. Yeah, first time trying these here. Such a cool place. We also got like a chicken lettuce thing here. That just came too. I got my dingle hopper, everyone. Try this chicken here.